Hello guys, hope doing well. The video subject is how to create 2.6 megahertz simply with Arduino. At first I'm trying to write simple code. As you can see over this simple code, the pin number 13 gonna be on, and after that the pin 13 gonna be down. As you can see, there is no delay and nothing to the make stop or delay for the Arduino. It means that Arduino will do the on and off with maximum speed. With this simple code, the output frequency is 144 kilohertz. It means that with the normal digital write with high and low, maximum is 144 kilohertz. But we can use the binary code. As you can see, these two lines, port B, this side gonna be on and this line gonna be off. I will try to upload the code. It is uploaded. Look at the frequency. Very nice. 2.649. That's it. Easily we made this frequency. I don't have the oscilloscope with me now. I'm in trip. I will connect this output to the oscilloscope and will make one more video. Thanks for watching. I will stay on the code if you want to use this. Thank you. Goodbye.